Welcome back to Litter of Seven Living for the Lord. So today I am in my bathroom and I'm going to share with you how to do dry brushing. Okay, so it's a little echoey here for some reason today. I think because I have all those towels and things out because I'm washing them. Anyway, we're gonna look at dry brushing. There are so many benefits from dry brushing and I will share some of those with you. And I'm going to share with you what dry brush I use. I just use this. It's an eco tool. And then I'm going to share with you how I do dry brushing. Okay, so as you know, your skin is like a very big part of elimination. You sweat through it, you shed dead skin cells, all different kind of things. So it is like one of the largest, it's like the third largest eliminator for toxins and different things in your body. So it's very important to keep your skin in good shape so that you can eliminate. Now, the way that I like to start and the best way to start is at the bottom and work your way up. You're always working your way towards your heart, okay? And so if you're at your feet, you're gonna go up, brush up. If you are on your arms, you're gonna brush in, and then on your neck, you're gonna brush down towards your heart. So I always start on my feet, and I don't know about you, but my feet are always rough. But now that I dry brush on a regular basis, they are much better. So I really like to focus on my heels because it does help that skin in that area. So let's talk about our skin. Our skin protects us from so many things. It protects us from infections and chemicals and temperature changes by sweating. So our skin is very important. So you want to brush up. Now on my heel, I will go around. On my toes, I'll go around. But then you want to focus on the back of your ankle here and brush up. Now, I wouldn't apply very hard, especially at first. Your skin, these are kind of hard, and you want to kind of warm your skin up to it because it is a little rough at first. Now, so I like to do longer strokes because what you're doing is you're encouraging the blood flow to your heart, and you're getting the dead skin cells off, but the motion to your heart is very important. Now, I've always heard and done 3 to 5 strokes per part of your body. So you want to do about 3 to 5 strokes in each area. So I like to just focus, and then I will kind of elongate my strokes all the way up my legs, focusing on the backs of your legs. Now, this can be beneficial for varicose veins. Now, if you have dry knees, scrub out a little bit. It's not gonna hurt a thing, okay? And then just continue your upward motions. So really, if you have cellulite, it can help with that. It helps smooth your skin, makes it feel soft. And just a little tip, it also helps with shaving. It makes it easier to shave. So just keep going up the leg. And I just really like to focus. Now, then you're gonna go back here and I like to pull up. So I go down below my knee and I pull all the way up. So I really focus right here. Sorry about that. And really focus on the back right there. Because if I'm gonna get any little dimples or anything, it's gonna be right here. Feel like more loose skin is right here. And well, varicose veins tend to get back here, and this can actually help prevent varicose veins. And then I always get on the inside of my legs. So really focus on the inside. And don't forget this area right here, where those lymph nodes are, because this does help with your lymph system. So really don't forget that. Now, when you get to your bottom, I'm gonna try to pull my shorts tight. So just go up, 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 up. Of course, you're not you need to go up, up, up. Really, right here, now don't go on your private parts, of course, but make sure that you are getting those lymph nodes right here on the inside of your leg to help those lymph systems. So then, you're just gonna move over to the other leg. I always do my heel first because, well, I don't know. I walk around outside a lot and barefoot. And so my heels, especially in the summer, get really dry. So then you're just gonna continue onto the other leg. So your skin is a messenger to your brain and it supports your other organs, okay? Now, if your other organs are toxic, you can't eliminate well. Dry brushing will help with elimination from your body. So it is very important if you are not eliminating. But to get rid of all the toxins in your body, this is a very, very good way to do it. I really focus on those dry areas like your ankles right here, your heels, your knees. Really focus on those. And dry brushing is very inexpensive. I mean, literally, it's the cost of this. So that is like super inexpensive. And it's easy. I'm taking longer to do it because I'm talking, but generally, you can do it before you get in the shower, or you can do it in the morning. It's really good to do in the morning for your body, but if you do it at night in the shower, you're gonna get benefits from it by doing it then also. Okay, so like I said, it's gonna help eliminate dry skin and all those type things, and it's helping with your lymph system. So it's going to unclog pore ducts in your skin if you have pore ducts that are bad. It will help that and just get everything flowing. It gets all that dead skin off so that you can make more skin cells. So you're going to continue going up. I will pull my leg and kind of stretch it tight when I'm doing it and kind of go up my back. So I have more stretch marks right here from having all of our kids, 5 kids. So I will really pull that tight and go over that quite a bit to help with those spots. So if you do have some hard like fat deposits in your body, this also helps move and distribute those fat deposits evenly through your body. So it will actually help move the fat around, those hard fat deposits, which is great. Like I said, it helps with your lymph system to get it, cleanse it, it reduces blood pressure, it moves the lymph around so that it can be eliminated. This is just so crucial for elimination of toxins and lymph that needs to be moved. It can help lessen the length of infections. It increases blood flow and circulation. So you think, all right, every time you're doing this, you're sending messages to your brain, and it's also sending blood flow to that area. Touch creates blood flow and awareness of that area. Just like when you're hurt, your brain activates. So on your arms, you're going to pull up and in. Now, like I said, start out slow, start out gentle, and then you will work your way to being more pressure and more aggressive, sort of. Hey, puppy. And I focus on my elbows, and if your hands are dry, you can really focus on them and get them soft. So, always go in, okay, and towards the heart. Now, you also have lymph nodes right here in your underarms. So make sure you're not avoiding that area, okay? You want to get those lymph nodes in those underarms, okay? Those are very important. In your neck, your underarms, and your groin lymph nodes. Focus on them. If you have any lymph issues or you are sick, really focus on those, and it will help move all that lymph around and help lessen infections. Very, very important. So like I said, it smooths and softens your skin better on this, which who doesn't want smooth, soft skin? But I have noticed that it helps me also with being able to shave. It just kind of makes the hair easier to shave. Three to 5 brushes at least in each area. Now, this can also help give you more energy. It will help awaken you. So if you need more energy, which, who doesn't need more energy? I mean, come on, right? We all need more energy. So this can energize you because it is pumping your blood and getting your blood flowing, which creates more energy. It helps with your nervous system and nerve stimulation. So another thing I have noticed is my neck. If you don't know, I had neck surgery about 10 years ago. I have a lot of issues in my neck, and so this actually seems to help with it. I will actually pull down from right here towards my heart. So I will pull all the way from behind my ear and kind of pull around. I will get back here and pull around. When you don't have your shirt on, you're also going to do it there. Now, you'll see your skin is getting a little red. That's fine. It's not an issue. It's just the stimulation of your skin. Don't do it too hard, but it is not, I mean, mine will go away right away. It's not like I'm irritating it or causing it stress. And I do go right here. So I think I do have arthritis from having neck surgery. I don't know if you can see my scar. It looks pretty good. But I do have a scar right there from my neck surgery. I have a plate and 4 screws in my neck. So this will help me with neck pain. All right, so for the stomach area, you're going to try to tuck my shirt in here so that it'll stay without just being in my sports bra here. All right, so you're gonna get this and you're going to focus up. Now, I have had multiple kids, and I do have loose skin on my, so I got interrupted, I had a phone call, I'm sorry. So for dry brushing for your stomach, you're gonna just come down and you'll go down here on your sides and pull up to your heart. Now, I do have a lot of loose skin on my stomach. So for my stomach, I will even do this to try to help with the loose skin, because I would love to get rid of that loose skin. I have had multiple babies and gained a lot of weight with each one. My last one I actually gained 70 pounds with, and she was a 9-pound, 10-ounce baby. So I do, if you can see, I have a lot of loose skin on my stomach, and that is one thing I cannot stand, but it's part of being a mom, just having those little things that show like stretch marks and loose skin. But this does help. So yep, I focus on that and pulling up, up, and up. So areas that you really want to work on, you can do a little more work, a little more rubbing. Okay, so then on your back, same thing. You're just going to go up And remember, 3 to 5 times per area. Now, for your upper back, you're just going to brush up. I always just brush up. It's hard to do with clothes on, but that's the way I do it. Brush up. And then for your shoulders, I always pull like this. I grab and I pull around. So I pull over my shoulder. So I will grab right here and I will pull around. So if you have a hard time getting your hand around there, use this hand and push. So just grab right here and pull. Grab right here and pull. Really go over those shoulders. Now, this can also help reduce stress and calm your mind. It helps your kidney functions. It helps tone your muscles. So, you know, if you need to do a little rubbing, you can. But if you need to use your hand, I always use my hand just because it's more simple to do it that way. Now this will also help get rid of excess waste. So on my chest, I will just pull down towards my heart. So you're just pulling down. Avoid certain areas, okay? Ladies, gentlemen, avoid certain areas. But I will do my chest, and I will go this way, and that way, like that, okay? So I focus a lot on my neck and my lymph nodes right here, because if I get sick at all, if I get a little cold or anything, these lymph nodes right here seem to really swell on me. So I will really massage those, and it will just keep those from getting enlarged. So if you have issues with bloating or excess water weight, things like that, this is very beneficial for that. So I highly recommend getting one of these. Now, I have a lot of people ask me about your face and what to do about your face and using these on your face. So for my face, I do have a small one that I cannot find right now that's for your face. One of my kiddos has relocated it somewhere. So I will actually use this on my face, and I just go gently, but I do use it on my face. Some people say don't because it's too abrasive and it's just too difficult for your face and hard. And I'm 40 years old, okay? I have wrinkles, I have issues, you know, I use it on my face. So I will just bring it here and kind of go around. I already have my makeup on, so I'm not gonna do it on my face. But I do this and I really focus under my eye and going around like that and pull down towards your heart. So you're gonna go around, and then I like to go on the inside of my nose and go down. I wouldn't do it on my eyes because eyes just are more fragile, but it can help with, if you have dry skin, oily skin, it will help disperse it all and make it just more even, I guess you could call it. So there are so many benefits from it, this all over body benefits, and I can't recommend it enough because I just think it's a super thing to do for your body. So it gets you a little dry brush. These are, I think you can get them at Walmart, TJ Maxx, probably Target, any probably health food stores, things, Amazon. Just get you one and start dry brushing and see if you see any benefits from it. I mean, there's just so many to name, but those are some of them that I told you. If you have any questions, just comment below and ask me. I'll be glad to answer any questions, and just get to dry brushing. If you like this video, give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.